Good morning and welcome to another blog. Today I will do some tire detailing and I will also paint the wheel caps to give it a alloy wheel looks. For that I have removed the wheel caps and I will clean this particular area. As you can see, it becomes very dirty and this is not possible to clean every time. So I will clean this wheel rim areas. I will clean these particular rims with the help of a shampoo water. So I will clean these rims and apply tire polish to that particular area. So wet these rims generously. Use so like this I will do all the way. The other wheels. Even if you wash, the traces of mud remains in these wheels actually, and if it is neglected long enough, it results in rusting and finally you need to replace your wheel rims. So please follow this practice once in every 3 months, and if your car runs a lot regularly, then I would suggest to practice it once in 15 days. So your rims will last for long enough and you need not require to replace your rims frequently. Finally clean it with a dry soft cloth. In fact, before this application I have cleaned all the tires with a pressure washer, so that all the stubborn mud and debris removes from this area, so it becomes easier for you to do this particular job. So the last wheel, same process. All the 4 wheels have been washed, cleaned and dried. Now I will apply some tire polish. I will using this empty container. Here I will pour this particular tire polish and apply to the tire and rim areas. So this will add a fresh wet look and also it will protect the rims from rusting. Let me pour this tire polish. You can also buy other brands also. Previously I used this one, but now I am using that particular brand. Apply it in the sponge applicator. Now I am applying tire polish. I will apply the rims also and the tires also. It will not only give it a fresh wet black look, but it will protect the rims from rusting, and also the tire rubbers remain soft and it will protect it from any cracks. So I will always recommend to use a tire polish. It not only increases your aesthetic looks, but it will protect your tire sidewalls also. So this one is also complete. Finally the rear wheel and all the 4 tires are complete. Now I will fix the wheel caps after painting the wheel caps. So today I will be painting the wheel caps. So before painting the wheel caps, make sure that your caps are absolutely free from dirt. I am not going to show you the washing procedures. I have cleaned with soapy water and you see there are no traces of dust. Now I will mask up the unwanted area which I won't be painting. So let me start the masking procedure. Before masking, purchase this masking tapes from the market, and I have procured some cutters from the stationery shop. So let me start the masking procedure. So let me start the procedure, and like this you mask the areas that are not required. It will be a time consuming process, no doubt. Some blades are also handy. So like this I have masked one area. So I will do this for the entire wheel. Once I complete this wheel, I will show you how I masked the entire procedure. I have masked up the unwanted areas, and now it's ready for painting preparation. So like this I will mask all the 4 caps, then I will go for painting. So let me mask it off, the other 3 caps, and then I will go for painting. So like this you need to mask all the 4 caps. Finally all the masking job has been completed, and now the wheels are ready for painting. So you can see how I masked all the unwanted areas, and then I will go for painting. And once I start the painting, I will show you how to paint these wheels. So let's go and paint the wheels. I have prepared all the wheels ready for painting. Now it's preferable to do it in a cool, dry atmosphere. And first I will apply some light strokes and cover the silver areas, and finally apply a deep coat and allow it to dry for 1 to 2 hours. Then I will apply the second coat. So let's start the procedure. Before starting, please shake the can thoroughly. Lighter the strokes, it's better. Before applying the paint, please wipe off any dirt or anything is there. Start the procedure. This particular can I have procured from local hardware store, and it is 180 rupees, and it has around 300 grams. I think one can will be sufficient for this work. So I have procured only one. If it is required, then I will procure another one. So let's start the procedure. So I have completed a light stroke. After that I will again give another coat. Now let me try out with the other wheels. One single light stroke has been completed. Now I will allow it to dry for around 1 hour or 2 hours, and then finally I will apply another coat. Now the final coat. Let us wait for some time, and we'll check if any areas are left then I will apply some again. So I think I have been able to finish with one bottle, so there is still some left. Let me check if any area is left off or some areas require any spray. So that is the final check. So all the 4 wheels have been completed and it's already giving a glossy shine, and after it dries up for 10 to 15 minutes I will apply a clear coat, as it will protect the wheels from the paint peeling off and it will give an added protection to the paint. So for that I have procured a clear coat also. Now I will apply some clear coat and allow it to dry for 24 hours. So for added protection, you may not apply this clear coat, but I prefer to apply a clear coat after the painting process. And this should be applied after the final paint is over. Within 10 to 15 minutes you should apply this clear coat. This is the Abro brand clear coat, okay? And in some shops they may not understand the term clear coat. You better ask lacquer spray. So the job is totally complete. I have applied clear coat and 2 coats of paint and allow it to dry for 24 hours, and then I will fit these caps in my car. No. Okay. So this is how it's looking after painting the wheel caps. So let me fix up all the 4 wheels and I will show you how it looks. Now let me open the masking tapes, and I have kept it for drying time of 24 hours, and let me peel off the masking tapes and then we'll see how it's looking, and finally I will fix up in the So all the wheel caps have been fitted and you can see how it looks. It is absolutely giving a pseudo alloy look. This is how it's looking, and it's absolutely good looking, and the entire silver colored wheel cap look bland actually, but this color is giving really a aesthetic looks and much better than the original cap color. So I will suggest this particular do-it-yourself job, those who are willing to give their wheel caps a decent look. So this is how you can easily paint your wheel caps at home. And if you have liked the video, please give a thumbs up